What's up, guys? Bryson from Bryson's Lego Show. Hope you guys like that trailer of Lego Speed Champions, and you guessed it. We're gonna do Lego Speed Champions, and today we have the Ultra 2017 car, the McLaren 720S. This set is age 714, and it's number 75880, and it has 161 pieces. On the back, you can see usually it has the real car, and it has him like drawing a car, and then it comes to life probably, and then he's so excited because it was his dreams. And besides that, we're gonna start building this set. Alright, so this set looks like it has pretty much one long piece over here and some stickers and some 3 bags and 1 piece of instructions. And I hope you guys like this. Let's start building. Alright, we're done. Now this is the McLaren 720S. And it had a lot of stickers, and don't mind if I took so long because I was trying to make it the best I could, so no mess ups on the stickers so it doesn't look bad. And I'll give you a look around, and this is the back. And there's the license plate, and the lights actually look pretty cool. And when you look up here at this angle, you might see how many handles are there to open the door. And there's like some motor things on it. And then actually the lights look pretty cool in the front with the main thing. And here's our minifigure. He's in his shirt with the McLaren sign on the front and his button-up shirt. This is like actually a cool guy. He's really cool. He's one of the first guys who has ever looked like a regular freight minifigure before. That's in the Lego Speed Champions sets. So I like that. And here's his art set. And you see he dropped the McLaren 720S with his light. And my favorite thing is the mini car. It's so cute. And you can have mini races with it. And here's a wrench if you want to change the wheelings on this thing or the hubcaps. It's fine. And also this has a minifigure has a helmet if you want to ever have a helmet with him, if you want him to drive the McLaren. And this is actually a pretty cool car. And anyways, let's see. Yes, we had some other things, and I hope you guys like this set. Also, we have Lego Ninjago blind bags. And it got Jay, on the Lego Ninjago movie, and he has a selfie stick, and I got another one too, but I don't know which one it is really, because I just dumped it in my pocket. And here's a selfie stick thing, and he's supposed to have it.